Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm giving you an honest review of the Zeely AI app and answering the big question, is it actually useful or just hype? Now, you've probably seen the ads, claims like launch a business in 5 minutes or AI-powered marketing with no skills needed. Sounds amazing, right? But does Zeely AI really deliver? Let's break it down. Now, Zeely AI is marketed as an all-in-one mobile app designed to help you start and grow a small business quickly. It uses AI to build websites, generate content, create visuals, and even run ads, all without needing a tech or marketing background. Now, the idea is simple. Enter your business concept, and Zeely handles the rest. Looking at user reviews, especially on Trustpilot, a lot of people are actually impressed. Many users like how fast the website builder is. You can have a landing page live in just a few minutes, which is great for freelancers and small business owners who want to test ideas without spending much money or time. The ad automation feature also gets praise since it creates ready to run social media ads that beginners find extremely helpful. Some users even report getting their first real online sale using Zeely's built-in traffic tools. The app's dashboard and design and templates are another plus. They're modern, clean, and easy to use, especially if you're new to online business tools. That said, it's not perfect. Some users mention limited customization, especially if you want more control over your website or branding. Now, customer support has also been called out as inconsistent. Others say the AI generated content can feel repetitive or generic, particularly for niche businesses. And while Zeely helps you launch faster, you still need basic marketing knowledge. It won't magically run the business for you. Pricing is another concern. Some features are locked behind higher tier plans, and a few users feel it's not always clear what you're paying for upfront. So, is Zeely AI legit? Well, yes, for what it's designed to do. If you're starting from scratch, launching a side hustle, or testing a product idea with a mobile first solution, Zeely AI can give you a solid head start. Just don't expect instant success on autopilot. And basically, that's about it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more quick guides, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.